Okay, so for today's video, it is super exciting. I am going to be revealing with you guys my wedding shoes. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Stephanie here on YouTube, and if you love all things fashion, luxury, and lifestyle, you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So basically I've had like this box right by my bed for like so long, and I'm like, I need to do this like unboxing or like review slash reveal with you guys because it's been sitting way too long in its box, and I kind of honestly want to start wearing these before my wedding. I know that kind of sounds kind of weird, but yeah, you'll just understand it as soon as I unbox it. Basically, if this is something that you're interested in, you should definitely keep on watching. Okay, so obviously I'm going to reveal the brand right now because this just looks like a white box, but they are Manolo Blinkis. So excited. These are literally my first pair, and yeah, let me just stop rambling and kind of just unbox it for you guys so you can finally see what they are, and then I'll go into detail and explain why I got these. So as soon as you open it up, I did open it up already technically because I was just way too excited when it came in the mail. We're just gonna pretend this is like an official unboxing and review. It comes with two little dust bags for each shoe. Then let me just go ahead and open it up. Love how it says Manolo Blinking on the tissue papers. So beautiful. And here she is. So pretty. Okay, so I know a bunch of you guys are probably saying, what the hell? Why did she get flats? But if you guys don't know and you're new to my channel, I am 5'9", which really isn't that tall, but it's pretty tall, I guess, for a girl. And then also my fiance is only like 5'10", 5'10 and a half.
Well, he loves to say that he's 5'11".
But we all know he's only really 5'10". Anyway, because of that, even if I was to wear like kitten heels or anything like that, it just... I would either be like at eye level with him or I'd just be like towering over him, which I totally do not want. So I had to get a nice pair of flats, which is why I decided to splurge and just get Manolo Blinkis, because don't get me wrong, there are so many beautiful shoes out there that aren't as expensive as this brand where you can get really nice wedding shoes, but I just knew I wanted to kind of be practical, I guess, in the same way where if I'm going to be wearing flats, I want them to be flats that I could also wear after my wedding as well. So like not so flashy that it's like, why are you wearing these shoes and you're not getting married type of thing. I mean, maybe these kind of still have the same concept, but to me, I don't know, I feel like I've seen people honestly just like wear these kind of flats with, or like these specific ones too, with just jeans and like casual outfits. I'm really excited to wear these. So basically I got these in a size 9, and I wanted to honestly go to the Manolo Blinky store in New York City because I know they have a wide selection of so many. When I say so many, I mean like an exorbitant amount of beautiful shoes. But I actually got these from census.com. I'm probably butchering that name, but I'm just going to insert it here on the screen. But I don't know if this was like last year's edition or something like that, and they have like a somewhat newer version, even though it pretty much looks exactly the same. I'll insert a picture of what the newer ones look like, but the big difference is just pretty much here where the like crystals are, and then the embellishment here, it's now with like white pearls, I believe, instead of this like tarnished looking, they're not really tarnished, but like copper, I guess, like, yeah, copper looking stone bedazzledness at the bottom here. You'll like get what I'm talking about once I insert the picture, but basically that was the biggest difference. And I saved honestly like $300-400 by buying this pair, so I was kind of like, whatever, I don't care. Like, honestly, they're both beautiful to me in my opinion, and I kind of just wanted this satin white anyway and didn't really care as to what the embellishment color was in the front, even though the other ones are also very much so like bride looking shoes. So if you are okay with spending a little bit more, I would definitely say opt for those because those are also beautiful. I'll tell you guys the pricing, but basically the pricing for this one was $776. Yikes. I know, it's a lot for shoes, especially how I've been saying on my channel that I am tired of buying designer shoes because A, they're usually super painful in the beginning, B, or they just like never break out and it's just, I get a million blisters, and C, also, well, I didn't even say B, I feel like after that I wear them so much that they don't like look as beautiful as they do when you get them brand new, just because like, especially for like white sneakers that I love, they're not going to be white looking for that long. They're going to be more like brown looking at the end of you wearing those shoes all the time. So C, I just feel like it's a waste because I just like try to use those shoes for special occasions now, and I just like don't want to ruin its perfection, which honestly, what's the point of having shoes if that's what you're going to be doing and not really using your shoes, because it should be something that you're wearing every day, because let's be real, every time you leave your house you have to put on some type of shoes. I ended up splurging and getting these shoes mainly because these were cheaper than the original ones that I was looking at, and also it's my wedding, so you know what, I'm allowed to splurge and just go above and beyond when it comes to purchasing accessories and the dress and everything that comes with having a wedding. So hopefully these are my last pair of designer shoes. I say that now, but I'm pretty sure next year I'm probably going to be buying designer shoes still, but I'll probably come up with another excuse as well for that. But for now, that is the reason why I ended up getting these. And I think the original price of like the newer version of these ones, or you know, I don't even know if it's like the newer version, just the ones that have like the more Cinderella look and have the white crystals instead, those are $1,076. I'm pretty sure that's how much that one cost, or it's like $995. I was also just going to let people out there know if they're just like not really into like having flats obviously for their wedding, because I know a lot of people are not 5'9" or have a fiance that is almost the same height as them. You should definitely look at other shoes from Manolo Blahniken because they have honestly the same exact style that I have for these shoes, but just with heels, and they have two different types of heels. They also have the kitten heels, which is the ones that I was looking at. But again, like I said, I still was just going to be like at eye level with my fiance, and I know even my fiance was asking me, he's like, are you gonna wear flats for the wedding? Because I can't have that where you're like at eye level with me, that's weird. So basically I scratched that out, and obviously they have the bigger heels than the kitten ones. I think those are like 4 inches taller or something like that. I'll like insert pictures when I'm like randomly looking online of the type of styles of shoes I'm looking at that are just like this but with heels. So yeah, honestly, Manolo Blahniken is an amazing brand to definitely splurge if you want to get nice wedding shoes. I also was looking at like Jimmy Choo because I know that's like a huge brand that has a bunch of beautiful shoes as well, but nothing really caught my eye, especially since I was limited to just like the flat section of what kind of shoes I could have. But yeah, I am very excited about these. When it comes to sizing, they are European sizes. So this one actually says it right here. I don't know if you really can tell with my lighting, but it says 39 there. So they do the European sizes. So that equates to a size 9. And I will say these are true to size. I was kind of nervous because I feel like when it comes to flats, sometimes, you know, they're just super tight. And if you don't have, I have pretty narrow feet, but if you have like wider feet, sometimes you want to get a size half up or like just a whole size up. Reading like reviews and everyone was saying that it's true to size. So honestly, these fit me like a glove. So a size 9 was perfect for me. As far as like, I mean, I haven't really used them yet, but that wear and tear, that's what I'm trying to get at. But these ones, I will say, that's why I kind of want to wear them before my wedding. Obviously, I'm not going to be wearing them like everywhere and every day because obviously I want them to keep looking as shiny white as possible as they can be. But I will say right now these are pretty tight just because it is real leather, so I have to kind of break it in a little bit, because that's one thing I definitely don't want to happen on my wedding day, where like it's just so painful to wear these after a couple of hours. So I feel like if I just break it in a little bit, even I tried it on once and I kind of broke it in a little bit, so I'm probably just gonna wear it like once or twice before my wedding just to kind of break them in. And I've heard honestly with Manolo Blankies that once you break them in, they're like super comfortable after that. So I'm not nervous about that. And yeah, I honestly don't know what else to say about these shoes, but I am just so excited about them and will literally feel like a Cinderella in them. But yeah, that's pretty much my wedding shoes. I guess if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer them. But thank you so much for watching my video. Sorry it was kind of short, but honestly I just wanted to do this reveal with you guys and just show you guys my wedding shoes. Obviously you guys know, because I think I talked about it as well, but I'm going to wear my Bottega Veneta bag that I have a review on my channel. And I mentioned that in the video too, so I think these work perfectly together with that bag. So yeah, I'm just super excited. Things are piling up now and coming together for my wedding. So yeah, make sure you guys follow me also on my other social medias, where I have TikTok and I do outfit of the days, and then I also have YouTube shorts that I usually upload 3 times a week. And also make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because I also do outfit of the days there as well. And also whenever I'm out and about, and I'm very much so a foodie, I will always put that on my story as well. So thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll check you guys out in my next video.